Welcome to RO Design Library. In today's session, we'll calculate the operation and maintenance cost of a reverse osmosis system using our software. To get started, go to our website, rodesignlibrary.com. On the website, navigate to the RO Design Software Library section and click on the O&M Cost tool. This is a calculation tool used to estimate the operation and maintenance cost of an RO plant. This will take you to another page where O&M related questions are presented to calculate the operation and maintenance cost. Fill in the required information, such as plant capacity, for example, 5,000 m3 per day, feed water TDS, for example, 48,000 ppm, and system recovery, for example, 42%. The product flow and reject flow are automatically calculated and updated based on the entered information. Next, you will see the O&M summary section with headings such as chemical cost, consumable cost, CIP chemical cost, UF chemical cost, electricity cost, manpower cost, and maintenance cost. Initially, set all of them as applicable. The next section is chemical consumption, which lists various pre- and post-dosing chemicals. For each chemical, you can see its application and the suggested dose rate. You can change the chemical name, adjust the dose rate, or mark the chemical as not applicable if it is not in use. The next section covers the cost of consumables, including cartridge filters. The system automatically calculates the cartridge filter requirements based on the feed flow. The system provides a provision for two-stage filtration. If only one stage is applicable, you can mark the second stage as not applicable. The next section covers CIP chemical requirements. The CIP flow is calculated automatically, and based on this, once a chemical is selected, the monthly cost of the CIP chemical is calculated. You can also change the chemical type and the number of CIP cycles required. The next section, Section D, covers the requirement for UF chemicals. Set the status to applicable and select the appropriate dose rate for each chemical. The chemical purity is applied automatically, and the monthly consumption is calculated based on the selected dose rate. In Section E, electrical consumption is calculated automatically based on flow and pressure. You can select not applicable for any equipment that is not being used. The system calculates the monthly electricity cost in AED, assuming an electricity rate of AED 0.40 per kilowatt-hour. The next section, Section F, covers manpower costs, which account for the operation and maintenance of the plant. Select the required manpower, and the system will calculate the corresponding monthly manpower cost. The last section covers maintenance costs, including the replacement cost of UF and RO membranes. Enter the required data, and the system will calculate the monthly maintenance cost in AED. The spare parts cost is calculated for full coverage, 5 to 7% of the plant cost, and minor coverage, 2% of the plant cost. Select the appropriate option based on your requirement. Finally, in the summary sheet, you can calculate the total O&M cost as well as the cost of operation per cubic meter of water produced. If any cost is borne by the client, select it as not applicable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, www.rowdesignlibrary.com.